Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Delta Exchange on iPhone. Delta Exchange is a popular cryptocurrency derivatives trading platform that allows users to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum and other crypto assets with future and the options. The Delta Exchange app for the iPhone makes it easy to manage trades, monitor the market, deposit funds and control your account directly from your mobile device. And if you're using an iPhone, installing the Delta Exchange app only takes a few minutes. In this guide, we will walk through the complete step-by-step process of downloading. First, open to your App Store on your device. And once you get into this interface of your App Store, on the bottom there's a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type down Delta Exchange and search for it. And over here we can find to this Delta Exchange crypto. Simply select to this get beside it. And over here what you can do is simply double click to install it. And you may ask for the verification using a Face ID, Touch ID and the Apple ID password. After confirming, the download will begin. And that is it. And you can wait for the installation and the app will automatically download and install on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.